Hello everyone, I'm Navdeep Kalsi from Microsoft, and today I have Nitin from Auspos. How are you?
I am excellent. Thanks for asking, Nav.
And thanks for your presentation. It was really nice. Lot to learn. You did touch how your teams are structure, how the organization is working, how you're supporting your team, the culture shift. So there was a lot to learn, lot to understand. But I do have questions. So I just want to know, Nitin, when you did amazing work with your team, I'm sure you must have faced challenges, or you must be facing now also, right? So what challenges you faced and how you're trying to overcome those challenges?
So there were a range of challenges in the last 4 years of what we call, what I have represented in the presentation as our journey of transformation. But I think I should focus on our current challenges.
Yep.
So one of the big challenges that we are facing right now is that our context is it's becoming quite big.
Yep.
And by that, what I mean is that the number of things that we have produced, so patterns, platforms, and artifacts, they are growing at a scale that we have not seen before. And then the second aspect of the same problem is that our audience is also increasing. It's not just now our business unit, which is consuming our platform and our other offerings, but it's actually going beyond that. So quite large context. Then the second challenge is scaling. So now you're building these capabilities and your context is increasing, but how do you still allow other parts of the business to utilize these principles, these ideas, these offerings that you're producing?
Find the customers for it. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
That's good. Oh, perfect. That's really good. So then, Nitin, because you're working very closely with your customer, right? So how you make sure that your customer needs are fulfilled and also you're maintaining your platform engineering patterns?
So I think I'll talk about the very important principle that we learned that from technology perspective, we think so much about tech.
That's true.
But the first step is actually to have a dialogue with them, how to interact with them to find out what exactly are you doing, the why behind it, and then trying to understand where they see the gaps in the system.
Sure.
So from there, you pick up the conversation and you try testing a few things and then try finding the similarities of challenges between different teams.
Okay.
So that's pretty much been our approach. So we try not to just build a thing.
Yes.
We try really justifying that there is a problem space that needs to be tackled.
Yeah.
And we also, during that process, we try not doing that in isolation. We try bringing our customers, which are essentially our internal dev teams, on the journey.
That's good. So it's just like I'm trying to understand. It is like understand the problem, own the problem, and then give the solution.
So you have just given me a very succinct version of what I said in like 4 lines.
No, that's good. Thank you so much, Nitin. Always pleasure to hear your stories about Auspos. Thank you.
Likewise. Thank you.
Thank you.